BreathFIX mouth tape helps you stop mouth breathing and improve sleep. Step 1. Clean and dry your lips. Clean and pat your lips dry. Make sure there's no oil, sweat, or cream. Step 2. Peel the tape. Pull the tape apart by holding on both sides to remove the backing paper without touching the adhesive too much. Step 3. Apply and press. Place the tape gently over your lips and press lightly to activate the adhesive. Step 4. To remove. If the tape is too strong on your beard, wash your face with water. Once it's wet, the tape comes off smoothly and without discomfort. For beginners, try using the tape for 30 minutes to an hour during the day while watching TV or using your phone to get comfortable with it.